Hi guys, so today I have purchased this attar from Attars of India, like it's a perfumery website. So yeah, I just thought that I'll review this and put up a video. So this is called as vintage spirit, and the website says that it is a clone of CH Men. So let me go ahead and smell this thing. So the packaging looks very good. Like there was a cover and like this cardboard package. So it looks very good, and the package smells very nicely. And the bottle is also not very bad. Like it's a glass bottle with a plastic knob and plastic roller. So this has a very good smell, like a medicinal kind of opening, um, and it lasts very for a very good long time. Um, yeah, so this was just an unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.